Walmart barcode scanner problems are usually caused by camera permissions, app settings, outdated app versions, or the phone camera not working correctly with the Walmart app. By the end of this video, you'll know how to fix the Walmart barcode scanner when it will not scan products, open the scanner, or recognize barcodes. Start by checking Walmart's camera permission. The barcode scanner needs camera access to read product codes, and a disabled permission will stop the scanner from working. On iPhone, open Settings, scroll to Walmart, and make sure camera access is turned on. On Android, open Settings, select Apps, choose Walmart, and check that camera permission is allowed. Next, test your phone camera outside the Walmart app. Open the regular camera app, and scan a QR code, or take a photo to confirm the camera works normally. If your camera works but Walmart still cannot scan, close the Walmart app completely, and reopen it. This refreshes the app connection and can fix temporary scanner problems. You should also check for a Walmart app update. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android, search for Walmart, and install any available update. App updates often include fixes for compatibility problems between the app and your phone software. If you are using Android, clear the Walmart app cache. Cached files can sometimes cause features like scanners to stop responding after app or system changes. Open Android settings, go to Apps, select Walmart, open Storage, and choose Clear Cache if available. If the scanner opens but does not recognize the barcode, improve the scanning conditions. Hold your phone steady, keep the barcode inside the scanner area, and use better lighting. Dirty camera lenses can also affect scanning. Clean the camera lens and try scanning again. If the Walmart scanner still does not work, reinstall the app. Delete Walmart from your phone, download it again from the App Store or Google Play Store, and sign back into your account. Reinstalling removes damaged app files and creates a fresh connection between the app and your device. If the problem only happens with certain products, the barcode itself may not be supported or available in Walmart's system. To recap, check camera permissions, update Walmart, restart the app, and reinstall it if the scanner still fails. Your next step is to check Walmart's camera permission first, because the scanner cannot work without camera access. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other Walmart troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.